Working on the garage today. We got the Bobby slinging the hammer. Nice heavy tarp. I think I'm gonna make my doors out of this. Temporary winter doors. Yeah, shit's been missing. Sorry for being missing out, but we got on the ball back there. Ooh, looky there. Anyways, we'll make a few doors today. Try to. What the hell is on my camera? All zoomed in. Anyways, we're gonna make a few doors today, and anyways, make a few doors a day. Try to get the garage dried and get the bug in there. Yeah, that's right, the bug. Way back under. Smile, Bobby. Busted. Caught on camera. Gotta move the bug from there all the way back or over here. Plus, get room in there to do it. Long day. Huh? Yeah, but I think I want to run it all the way. So we need to bring the other corner up too. I can probably just, like I said, might take that tarp down for now. I think I got enough in this to make a tarp. Make the doors for both of them. Yeah, because that's a heavy ass. I think I'll make good doors. I don't know. We'll try it. I hope there's enough there. I don't know. Relating back to my garage, I did bring about 2,000 pounds of samples home with me last time I was up that way, and camera adjust there. I just kind of mixed it and poured it out and level this up enough where water ain't gonna stand on it too bad, and I'm not in the mud because it's mud. Like, I mean, you can see it's mud over here. This is all dirt still. I threw I had like 15 sample bags I threw out here. Bags, when I say sample bags, I mean bags of concrete. But I get about 15-20 pound bags of sample of cement. That's what I'm saying, but I just kind of poured it in there level, as you can see. I didn't want to go up. Like 4 to 6 inches is about right height for the right thickness of concrete poured, so it don't crack and bust on you. So basically I'm using this as a filler, just letting it kind of spew out. That way I don't have the big step I had here, which I have out front. I'm going to have to build all that back up, fill it all back in or something, to be able to get into the garage through this door. So I did this, and just gonna, like I said, get some more and fill, kind of let it go out that way, and I'm gonna try to get that bug in here. Maybe sand on it. Like I said, I put a makeshift wall up for now. Plastic's just about done for. Been up for about 3 years now. I just done it to keep the full in and dry, but said eventually it's gonna go all back and out. Makes the adjustment like, yeah, we kind of just off and on goof off stuff last couple of days. Nothing major, a lot of family time, which is what it's been for a while. So we're gonna try to get back on some of these projects. Garage is slowly coming along. Said, like right now, all I wanted to do is when this dries up, I can get a car in here. I won't be in the mud on that side. This side stays pretty dry, so it don't get too muddy. My empty barrels of containers, I got store some cement up. I'm gonna start stockpiling. Pour this pad. I'm hoping to pour this whole pad at one time. be a long day's work there. But yeah, kind of update on the garage. It's coming along slowly. Said wrapped it and put up this heavy tarp for doors. We'll cut all the air off the front of the house, or front of the thing. Now all we gotta do is get that 3-year-old plastic down and a couple sheets of tin in here and figure out a way to get a little heat in here. We'll be good to go. But with that being said, deer season is upon us. We're going to take some time and hunt. Oh wait, I done did. Deer season was upon us. It's over with now, so it's time to get back to YouTube and these projects. Got a lot of projects around the house here I want to do. Nothing major. Well, all major, but none of them quite pressing, I guess. Trying to get it back street legal for state laws. Been driving it, it's pretty good. Bug ain't really had much time, been pricing some stuff on it. Compressor kicked on. Like I said, I'm trying to find me a 110 welder and a decent one where I can start on the Civic, because we're going to do a custom engine bay, I think, on it, and just kind of make it a play toy. Stock on the outside, modified in the inside. But yeah, just touch up, let you know what's going on. Garage is just slowly coming along, choosing. Ain't been on there much. So yeah, I didn't get quite done with it yesterday. I had a bunch of family stuff come up, but here's where I left off. Ended up having to take the tailgate off. Make it easier. Cat running over my stuff. We just grinded out the whole metal, and I'm going to just try to prime it and before I go black it. There's my piece I made. I ain't done with it yet. All we'll do is actually try to come to the bottom of this line, and I don't think I will even put that groove in there. I think I'm just going to go straight up with it, make it one solid piece. I don't know, we'll see how she looks. If not, I'll put that bend in it. Kind of like that decal that was already on there. I'm not too fond of those, but oh yeah, you helping me, are you? Huh? But yeah, the piece I cut off the refrigerator, it was a lot thicker than what I thought. I had a heck of a time cutting it. Bent it a little bit, I had to straighten it back out. Ooh, cut your face off, cat. Plus we gotta clean it up. I like these vent holes that was on this piece already. So the piece I was actually cutting was only gonna be about like that. See, this has got this lip where I can put on the bottom and strengthen up the bottom of that tailgate a little bit, and it's metal, so I can actually tack weld it later. So it gives it strength too. So, but anyways, I was gonna come up about like here, and I wanted to keep all these, so I went up. I ended up coming up to this next piece right here. It should come up right up to that bottom of that line. We'll take the Ford symbol off. I think I'm gonna move it to the center right here. At least that's my goal. Whether it happens, I don't know. We'll see. But with that said, let's get back to it. So yeah, we're going to flush this radiator if my water hose will reach out here. About this flush kit here from AutoZone. Directions, or instructions as I like to call them. Yeah, it was only $4, cheap one. There's some full out to mix it up with some water. I believe we need to find the one that goes into the top of the block here, which is one underneath, which is a pain in the ass to get to, like always. Anyways, we'll have to splash this one. Use our 3/4. I'd say what size that is. Looks like 3/4. And then we'll have to figure out where we're gonna blow this shit to. Alright. So after fighting, cutting, butchering, this is what we came up with. Damn, battery's about dead. Anyway, fight, cut, butchered. I didn't get none of the film batteries, like I said, about dead. Had Kanachi cut that out. Kinda looks like shit. I gotta go through here and put a couple self-tapping just to pull it, pull that top in. This side over here actually didn't turn out too bad. Get my topper lid open here. $75 topper lid. But I wrapped it. It actually don't look too bad in one spot right there. A lot going on today in a hurry, so I'm gonna try to dig around my shop, find a couple self-tapper screws, and try to match up with the bottom and tap it, and maybe put the Ford sign right here, clean it up, and see what it looks like after we're done. Sorry I didn't get the process, but the piece was pretty much just hell. I couldn't find no self-tapping screws, but I can come back later and do it. Them 2 blower bolts in each corner, so it goes through the tailgate. I drilled holes for them, they bolt in. Should hold it for a couple days till I can pick up a couple self-tapping for the top, but I don't like it. It's too much chrome and it's too flat, but it'll help me get a sticker. With that being said, next thing we're going to do is make it a little darker. I don't know. I'll figure out something. Just too much chrome. Don't look bad. It's wrinkled. It's buckled. Nothing major with it wrong. It's just I don't like it. But I gotta clean up the mess. Went in, let my battery charge up, and fell asleep on the couch for a little one. So, daddy's duties. Daddy duties. Daddy duties. She's waiting. Yeah, she's waiting. So let's go to Mamaw's house. Well, with that being said, hey, yeah, there we go. That being said, yeah, stay tuned. There'll be a couple of dumb projects coming up. Like I said, just done that so I can get a sticker on the truck. Inspection sticker's dead. Gotta make sure all rust holes are patched and filled. So that's one less thing to worry about. I looked around for a tailgate for a couple weeks. All tailgates are jacked. New one's a couple $100. This cost me a couple hours away from the family. The hardest part was cutting the stainless steel. 10 snips really didn't do it. Using my cutting wheel and my small compressor, which took forever. If I had the right tools, it wouldn't take very long at all. Like, subscribe, and sorry for these shitty ass videos. Or wait, like, subscribe, and there's better videos coming. Who knows?